Hi, this is Kimberly and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey. Today's video, I am going to be telling you all about me. The reason for today's video is to put this video on my website, so when people come to my website that you can see who is behind Bookkeeping Journey and you can put a face and a person behind this business. How this video is going to run, I'm going to tell you a bit about me, a bit about my studying, and then also what Bookkeeping Journey is about and what we do offer to our clients. The first thing I want to make clear on this video, I am Kimberly Elizabeth Chandler. So if you found my name online and you saw Elizabeth Chandler, that is still me. That's my middle name that I go by, because what had happened is I previously had a Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram page. Those were personal pages, and I just completely deleted them. I want to set up more of a professional online presence and more focus on my business so that I can attract the right people towards me. Plus, it's good to keep people out of your business. And I am a very private person as well. Sorry if you hear my fan is in the background, as you know. 2 years ago, my whole life changed. I was in a relationship from the time I was 18 to my then husband. Well, we're still technically married, but we are separated, and this is 2 years now. And obviously, that is a whole complete change to my life, and I had to decide what I am going to do going forward, because we had a whole vision board together and stuff like that. So all of that had to change for me. And then I had to restructure my life. What I did after I separated from my husband, I went back to school. I did my certificate in mathematics and a certificate in accounts. And that made me see that I really wanted to get into the accounting field. At that time, I wasn't thinking bookkeeping. I was more thinking of Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. I wanted to do that. And I wanted to become a certified accountant because I know that that is the field that I really want to be in. Then late last year, I decided that, you know what, for my New Year's resolution, I'm going to do Earl Nightingale's 30-day challenge, where I write on a card what I want to achieve, and on that card I will stay doing what I love, because at the time I didn't know what I would love to do for the rest of my life. I knew I wanted accounting to be a part of that, but I didn't know what level of accounting I wanted to be a part of that. So the goal for January was to start my ACCA course, which I am currently still doing classes in, and then find out what my dream and my passions were. For 30 days in January, I read this card morning and evening. I watched the video The Secret on Netflix every single morning when I woke up. So I got up on the morning, read my card, went outside, made my breakfast, put on The Secret, watch that while I get ready for work. I will take my daughter to school and then go ahead to work. On the 15th day of doing that, I had a conversation with my higher self, and I basically heard, why don't you try to get into bookkeeping? And I was like, but I can't own a business doing bookkeeping. I was going to be my own accountant for my business, whatever business it is, because I love doing books, and I will definitely be doing that. I had Googled own my bookkeeping business, and then I saw this article on how owning a bookkeeping business, and I realized that this is actually a profession that I can take up. That's when I came across the same course I am currently taking. I watched the 3 videos. I was so in love with how Ben presented himself and how he did his presentations. He did an amazing job. I don't think he really did justice as into explaining the course, because you get so much more than what he tells you. But I am so glad to be able to say today that I am part of Bookkeeper Launch, because that was also another struggle there. But I have this video here and this video here that talks more about Bookkeeping Launch and the experiences that I had with them. After I decided what I wanted to do, I started the studies with Bookkeeping Journey. I realized that I am gaining so much knowledge that I can actually use this knowledge to share with people. I then went online to see how can I share this knowledge, but the way how I wanted to share the knowledge, no one was doing it like that. So then I decided, you know what, why not start a YouTube channel and share your knowledge, share all that you know, and also share your journey of building this business, so that the person that comes behind me can have somebody to follow instead of somebody that have already done it and telling you how they achieve what they achieve. I would have loved for somebody to have done something like this to me, so that's why I'm doing it for you. So that's basically how the channel was birthed. On to what Bookkeeping Journey is about. So Bookkeeping Journey was actually not supposed to be my bookkeeping business name, but because I wanted to link both my YouTube channel and my bookkeeping business together, I decided to just use the same name and just work with it. And then I have to now think about my slogan and all that for the business. I haven't finalized that as yet, but I am currently working on it. So the slogan might change from the time this video has been recorded. My goal for my clients that do accept my bookkeeping services is to eliminate any stress that you have had for your finances, so that you can spend more time with your family, also spend more time working on how to improve your business, thinking about ideas to improve and what you can do to reach those goals. See, bookkeeping really and truly could be a tedious task, especially if it's something that is not your thing. It could be such a headache, and then if you don't have the right person to be there to explain to you how is your business performing every single month, how your finances are flowing both in and out of your business, and what you can improve and what you're spending too much money on and what you can cut back on as well. Because sometimes as business owners, we overspend, we buy things that we don't need, and we waste money that could have gone into something that would have improved our business instead of costing us a headache and a stress. We're not only going to be doing your invoicing and your sales receipts and all those forms, make sure that you understand how your money is flowing in your business. So if you cut back on something, we will go through that. And the other thing that you will get from us as well, which is a major thing for all businesses, is that we will reconcile your bank. That just basically means that we will take your bank statement and we will match it to what records you have in QuickBooks Online already. We will match those. We will make sure that we can account for every single dollar that was spent. I will be able to go more in depth with you once you decide to use our services. I thank you so much for visiting the website or my YouTube channel, and may you have a wonderful day. Bye.